Hello YouTubers all over the world. Welcome to my YouTube channel Clearly One. You must have seen my Mauritius videos and surprise, surprise, today we are in Mauritius and I'm here to show you how to use your radio controlled speedboat which you bought from China in seawater. I know manufacturer tells you you shouldn't use it in seawater, but you can. And I'll tell you what you can do, you don't have to do it. First thing, make sure you put some oil in the boat, wiggle it around, get rid of the excess oil and make sure that the coating of oil at the bottom of your boat. Secondly, when you've finished using your boat, you must rinse it under fresh water. If you do those two things, you'll be fine. This boat, the FT009, has been in the water of the Indian Ocean at least a dozen times and it's still working. Let's go! Voilà. Again. What are you? So remember, if you want to use this boat in seawater, first of all, put some oil in your boat, wriggle it around, pour out the excess and leave it to dry. And when you've finished using your boat, rinse it with fresh water under a tap and let it dry. Cheers from Mauritius. It's goodbye. Till next time. Cheers.